Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. I found my favorite travel accessory, this portable turbo fan by PlayHot. And this fan cools you down in a hot, no, it's a cold second. Especially when sitting for takeoff, I love it because there's absolutely no airflow at times. It was with me everywhere on my trip, in stuffy elevators, restaurants, and shopping. I found it most helpful on a walking tour of 80 degrees on a sunny day. And I appreciated that the rechargeable battery lasted the whole day. It's so practical because it has different angles you can use on a flat surface when you're at home or at work. Then you can just pick it up and go. So make sure to take your portable, convenient fan from PlayHot on your next vacation, and I know you'll be the envy of all those sweating around you. And that is just my point of view.